Serializable. Hello everyone, my name is Donna. Today I want to talk about my project, which is about wedding management system. First of all, we are going through all the classes responsible for this system. Then the main page. The goal of the project is the system manage wedding by organizing client, class, vendor, events, booking, and payment in a structured and object-oriented way. The first class that we are going through is the client class. First of all, we are defining the package for organizing the classes, then making it serializable. The main class is about client, and the purpose of this class is to store and manage data about client. We are having the main class. Inside the main class, we have parameter constructor and constructor parameters, and then we are having the instance variables. The client ID is the unique identifier of the class, client class. Then we have contact information like name, client phone, and client email. And then after that, we are going to the getter and setter method. That with using the getter methods, we are getting access to the parameters, to the variables, and then with setter methods, we can modify, edit, and update the class, the parameters of the client class. The second class that we're going through is the vendor. The purpose of this class is to store information about the vendors, like creatures, the creators, and the key fields. For the vendor is vendor ID, vendor name, and vendor type, and the vendor phone, email, and address. We are going to do through the getter and setter method the same with client class. They are helping us to modifying setter methods, modifying then the getting method for accessing to the class. The next class is for events. The event class is representing the details of an event, like a wedding ceremony or birthday ceremony, or anything related to the event. We having the key fields: name, event ID, event name, event date, event location, cost, and description. The methods are getter and setter methods, and for getting access and editing, updating the class. The next one is about the booking. We are all doing the same for booking class as well. In the booking class, we are, if I can go through it because it's not clicking. Okay, in the booking class, we can handle booking logic by linking client, vendor, and event. We are having the same thing that we are having in this other classes: fields, key fields, and getter and setter methods. And the last one is the payment, which is manage payment detail for booking. And that's for classes. Okay, and this is our main page, which we are, let me go through the first. We are getting the management system, and then we are going through the lists, and we are making an empty arrays for each classes. Then we are calling the classes for testing the methods. After that, we are utilizing the methods for making the line to make the result more clear. Then we are adding clients with getting the parameters and adding to the global clients, then editing them with getting the iterator, and then going through the whole class client. And then if the client ID was equal to the client ID that we want to modify, then we are running them. Then we are deleting the one client with again same methodologics, getting the client ID, going through the for loop, and then if the ID was matched with the ID that we are looking for, then we are removing and deleting the client. Then we can list one client with going through again iterative, and then writing all, like going through all the clients and listing one client to the clients list. And we can list all clients we're just doing the same but just for just one client. Then we can delete all clients the same way with listing all clients, getting iterative, going through all the loop, and then removing the clients. Then we can backup clients. We are doing this for getting back the clients that we deleted already, and then we are restoring the client with these methodologies. We're almost doing the same for the other classes as well. And at the end of the classes, we are having tests. We are testing. We are using the methodologies, and then we are writing down ID and the parameters that we need for each classes. That's all for the project.